What if I told you there's a single fruit that boosts digestion, strengthens immunity, and gives you glowing skin? That fruit is papaya. Stay with me as I reveal why papaya is the #1 fruit for wellness. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Supercharged with nutrients. Papaya is packed with vitamins C and E for overall health. It's loaded with antioxidants that fight harmful free radicals. The fruit contains folate, which supports cell repair and growth. It provides potassium, essential for heart and muscle function. Papaya helps maintain healthy vision and boosts immunity. A single serving gives your body a complete nutrition boost. A natural digestive aid. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins. It improves digestion and helps relieve bloating naturally. With high fiber content, it prevents constipation effectively. Papaya supports gut health by feeding good bacteria. It can ease symptoms of acid reflux and indigestion. A slice a day keeps your stomach light and happy. Immune system booster. Papaya is rich in vitamin C, strengthening your immunity. It helps your body fight infections and heal wounds faster. The fruit contains beta-carotene, which reduces inflammation. Papaya's antioxidants protect cells from damage and disease. It boosts white blood cell production for better defense. Eating papaya regularly keeps you strong and energized. Glowing skin and anti-aging power. Papaya hydrates skin and promotes natural radiance. Its vitamin C content helps in collagen production. Papain gently exfoliates dead skin cells for a fresh look. Antioxidants in papaya fight wrinkles and fine lines. It reduces acne and keeps your skin clear and healthy. Papaya is nature's secret to youthful, glowing skin. Heart-healthy and weight-friendly, papaya's fiber helps lower bad cholesterol levels. It's low in calories, making it a great weight loss fruit. The fruit's antioxidants reduce the risk of heart disease. Papaya enzymes boost metabolism and improve fat burning. It helps regulate blood pressure with its potassium content. A heart-healthy diet should always include papaya. The best ways to enjoy papaya. Eat it fresh for a naturally sweet and refreshing treat. Blend it into smoothies for a tropical health boost. Add it to salads for extra flavor and nutrition. Use it in homemade face masks for glowing skin. Make a delicious papaya sorbet for a guilt-free dessert. No matter how you eat it, papaya is wellness in every bite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next one.